Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today I will be sharing with you a cozy evening routine where I will pamper myself and get my life together. So, let's begin. So, as you can see, my room is a complete mess. So, yeah, I'll clean that room right now. I strongly believe that cleaning our workspace or where we are staying really impacts a lot in our mental health. It helps us to feel more organized and it gives an illusion that yes, everything is perfect. So, whenever we sit to work or anything that you might count as important, if you start that from a clean space, it really helps you to be more focused towards your work and really have a good impact on your mental health too. Moving on to the next step, I decided myself to treat myself to some delicious food because why not? And food is definitely a thing that never fails to uplift your mood every time. So here I'm making some hot chocolate because winter calls for hot chocolate, and chocolate is obviously scientifically proven that you can always uplift your mood and make yourself happy by having a chocolate. So now guys, if you didn't know this fact, then grab a chocolate if you're feeling low. So here I am making my hot chocolate. This is a ready-made mix of the hot chocolate. This is a cocoa powder, and here I'm cutting a slice of the plum cake because Christmas again calls for plum cake, and I find this plum cake delicious. It has raisins, nuts, and currant of blackberries, and here is some potato chips. So yeah, I find that this food is quite fulfilling as well as it's absolutely delicious. So I bought this candle. It is a scented candle and this smells absolutely beautiful and delicious, and I just invested in scented candles. I never in my life ever used this before, but seriously believe me, this really sets an aura and it really helps to calm your mind. And here I am with my delicious food with some delicious smell of the scented candle, with scented like flowers and vanilla. And here I am in my desk. So obviously I love to watch something while I'm eating anything. Whatever I eat, I like to watch something with it because I strongly believe that it really sets a mood for me. Like, it's not the healthiest habit, I would say, but it's a nice time pass for me at least. So the next is skincare because I was not feeling the best and my skin was just not feeling the best. So I was into skincare this day and I'm using this face wash from Plum. It's in the green tea range, and I believe that skincare is something that again sets a mood, and like I feel more refreshed and I feel more put together because this is the whole point of the evening, and this video is to have the feeling of getting the life together because I was feeling very messy from the past few days, and also I was sick in the last week, so I couldn't do much and I was feeling so lazy the whole week. So I decided to start off with a fresh start. Now I'm using this scrubber from M Caffeine, and this is in the cappuccino, and this smells so delicious. it smells of coffee and cappuccino. I love the smell of coffee, and winter really is something that has a coffee flavor to it, because with winter I feel like coffee comes along with it. So scrubbing really exfoliates your face, and it really helps in removing the clogged pores and having a good soft skin. So you can see that my skin is quite clear. Now I'm using this face mask from Plum, and this is a very effective face mask. uh, it at least works so brilliantly on my face, and you can see that I have almost finished this mask. And it has bentonite clay, which has a little bit of burning effect on your skin, but it's how it works. And it's really gives my face a very fresh uh, outcome. Now here I'm done with applying the face mask, and I have to wait for around 10 minutes. So I decided to go and put some nail paint on my fingers, on my nails, while the mask is drying. And here is my nail polish collection. Actually I threw away a few nail polish because it went dry, and I am so confused between these two colors, and then I finally decided to go with the green one because I wanted something vibrant, and this green was totally justifying the mood that I wanted. So again I'm watching something while I decided to paint my nails. These days I'm so much into pastel nail paints like pastel blue, pastel pink, or this pastel green. Also matches with the vibe that I was feeling these days. So for the next, after cleaning and after removing the face mask, I am into moisturizing my skin because I need to provide nutrition after cleansing my face properly. So I'm tying up my hair for applying the moisturizers and all that. So here I'm using this toner from Plum, the whole green tea range I have bought, and this really works so well on my skin. So the next thing, I'm using this serum from L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Serum, and this is a very good consistency. It is not too thick, not too runny, just the perfect hydration that it needs to provide, and it doesn't leave my skin sticky at all. So for the moisturizer, I use this Nivea cream. This is just a simple moisturizer that probably is absolutely affordable, as well as it works so well on winter. I have a specially dry skin, and believe me, this works wonder. And it's so affordable yet so effective that it has all my heart on it. And the last but not the least, I am applying some lip balm because obviously my lips need moisturization too. So here I am with my outcome, and you can see my face looks so glowy. Now it's time for journaling, because what is self-care without journaling? Because as my skin needed some nutrition and some care and some pamper, journaling is also a pamper for my mental health. I need to reflect on what is happening in my life, the pressures, the actually the things that I was facing, if I reflect it down on a diary or a journal, it really helps to relieve some of the stresses. And here I am with this beautiful journal. It was gifted to me by someone very close to me, my heart, and I love the pastel color of this diary. So yeah, here I am reflecting my thoughts on this journal. So the last thing is planning for the next day, because I need to decide what should I do for the next day. And as I'm getting my life together, so obviously getting life together needs much planning and organizing. So I am creating a to-do list of what should I do and check out for all my pending works that needs to be done. This routine really helped me to relieve all the stresses and all the messed up that I was feeling for the past week. So here I am, I guess I'm back on track, and you guys can also try to pamper yourself, to take care of yourself, because you deserve this world, believe me. Hey guys, so this is it for the vlog. I hope you liked the vlog. Please do make sure to like this video, do subscribe, and also don't forget to comment.